I'm looking for more of a relationship.
I'm worried that if Dave doesn't figure out how to talk to girls soon, he's gonna spend the rest of his life with a girl that he actually has no interest in.
I spend 8 to 12 hours just on my computer.
Welcome back to another episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover, where we take average men and build them world-class online dating profiles. I'm your host, Hunter Lewis. Let's meet this week's contestant, Dave.
Hi, I'm Dave. I'm 23 and I play Dungeons and Dragons for fun. I like long walks on the leash with my dog, chilling and having a fun time.
It was evident that with Dave, I had my work cut out for me. So I decided to meet up with his friend, Max. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, dude.
So let me ask you this, Max. What inspired you to nominate him for a Tinder makeover?
He really just settles for whatever comes his way. Like, he really just waits for a girl to show some interest. He doesn't really think about what they look like. He doesn't even take into consideration their personality. I get concerned about Dave because he's become much more introverted. He spends a lot of his time playing video games. And we would say, hey, wanna hang out with the boys? And he'd say, nah, I gotta play D&D tonight. And no shame on anyone that plays D&D. I'm growing concerned.
This is worse than I thought it was, Max. I thought he was just an introverted guy who needed to take a couple of photos, but I'm starting to realize there's a deeper issue here.
I'm worried that if Dave doesn't figure out how to talk to girls soon, he's gonna spend the rest of his life with a girl that he actually has no interest in.
I worry too, this is not just about Dave today. This is for the girls as well. Think about being the girl that's dating Dave for 8 months, and in his head, he's not even interested. I feel bad for them too.
There's someone out there for everyone.
100%. I appreciate you putting your friend in my hands. It's a lot of responsibility, but I'm gonna make you both proud.
I trust you, man.
All right, Dave, thank you so much for being here today, buddy.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
So Dave, why don't you tell me why you wanted to join Extreme Tinder Makeover today?
Mainly because I've been having a lot of trouble with relationship aspect. I consider myself an introvert. I spend anywhere close from 8 to 12 hours just on my computer. Yep.
What are you doing on your computer for that long?
Gaming or playing Dungeons and Dragons with my friends.
When you say gaming, are you really talking about David?
No, I am not talking about Hunter.
I was talking to your friend Max. He told me that in the past, you really only go for girls that come to you.
He really just settles for whatever comes his way.
I haven't really been interested in the girls I've been dating. It's just, I never had enough self-confidence in myself to put me out there.
Where would you say that stems from, buddy?
Probably all the bullying when I was younger. For sure.
I was bullied too as a kid. Once in gym class, they grabbed me by my underwear and hung me up on the hook in the change room. Why are you laughing? I'm serious, bro. Have you ever gone through something like that?
In elementary school, it's slower for me to learn. I was called sped pretty much from grade 6 to grade 11.
How'd that make you feel, man?
Really tore down my self-confidence. I just kept to myself. So now I'm here so that you could help me out.
Long story short, buddy, sometimes in life we go through adversity. We go through hard times and we can choose to let this bring us down. But sometimes when you put yourself out there, that's where you find the most growth, buddy. No growth happens in the comfort zone. We have to make ourselves uncomfortable to become better men. And I know it's not easy. I'm here today for you to help you become the man that I know is within you.
Hopefully my self-confidence does increase.
Don't say hopefully, buddy. It's gonna happen.
I hope it happens.
There, I see the smile. It's happening.
Okay.
How is Tinder going for you right now?
I've gotten one match, but they haven't responded yet, so I don't really know what to do.
One match.
Yeah.
How long have you had Tinder for?
Probably a year or two.
Look, Dave, Tinder's a numbers game. There's a lot of people on there, but the majority of them are not serious. That's why it's really important to maximize the number of matches, and from there you can kind of filter it down and determine which girls are serious and which girls aren't. So what are you looking for on Tinder, Dave?
I'm not really looking to smash as much. I'm looking for more of a relationship type basis.
As far as looking for more of a relationship than a hookup, there are a lot of women on Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge looking for the exact same thing. Tinder is a bit more of a hookup app. We're gonna get you on the holy trinity: Tinder, Bumble, Hinge. We're gonna maximize your chances of finding the one for you.
That's perfect.
All right, Dave, since you're not getting any matches at all on Tinder, let's pull up your profile and see what's going wrong. First thing I noticed about your profile It's verified. Good job. If you guys haven't verified your profile yet, go do that right now. With that said, that's probably the only good thing about your profile. So let's start with your first photo. Tell me about this photo. What happened here?
Ooh, this was a photo shoot for my birthday. It was with my girlfriend at the time. And it was couples photos and she paid for it all. And it was like $250 and like I looked good in a couple of photos, so I kept them.
Would you say this is one of them?
Yeah, that's one of them.
I hope she got her money back.
No.
What I will say about this photo is it's very obviously a photo shoot photo. What we're gonna do with you today is take candid photos of you. Also, your smile seems really forced in this photo.
I was with a girl that I wasn't really into, so I pretty much forced a smile.
Understandable. This next photo is you and is this a giant pickle?
Pickle Rick.
Is that like your cousin or?
Rick and Morty. Pickle Rick is when Rick turns himself into a pickle to get out of a therapy session with his family. And he goes down a sewer drain and puts body parts onto his pickle and kill a bunch of rats and shit that are trying to eat him in the sewer.
Dave, I think this is probably gonna drive away more traffic than it will bring in, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Maybe some girl will be like a big Pickle Rick fan.
Rick and Morty.
But realistically, bro, you're giving girls a lot of reasons to reject you with that one photo. Your last photo is the classic LinkedIn headshot. Honestly, probably your best photo on your profile.
That was right before my grandmother's funeral.
All right, buddy, I think we definitely have our work cut out for us, but you're in good hands. Today is all about you. We're gonna give you a haircut, get you a full makeover, and take some great photos of you for your Tinder profile.
Nobody's touching my hair. The only time I get my hair cut is at Supercuts. Susie Lee, she's the best.
Look, Dave, we have the best barber in the business coming out just for you.
Susie Lee.
Better. Saul. You can tell someone's a really good barber not only by their ability to cut hair, but their ability to make you feel calm, collected, and confident. And that's exactly what Saul brings to the table. All right, buddy, I know you didn't want to do this, but we have to see the kind of mop that we're working with, buddy. Wow, buddy, that is a serious mop, but luckily we've got the best barber in town, Saul, taking care of you today. We're gonna
not cutting my hair.
We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna make sure you're nice, you're proper, you're clean. And we're gonna make sure that the beauty within is shown with a simple, clean cut.
You're in good hands.
Okay.
Before you go out and take any photos for Tinder, you're gonna wanna make sure you go to the barber and get a fresh haircut. A good lineup or a clean fade will bring any guy from a 4 to a 6, a 6 to an 8. You get the idea. Women notice. Stay away from the big chains. Go to a real barber who specializes in men's hair. You're gonna pay a little bit more, but you will definitely get your money's worth. Good haircuts aren't cheap, and cheap haircuts aren't good. All right, Dave, I know initially you were a little bit hesitant to get your haircut, but I'm really glad that you trusted that you're in good hands with Saul, and he absolutely blessed you with the cleanest fade and a beautiful cut. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the cut today?
Well, I know that David was saying that he wanted to keep the top a little bit longer, and then we blessed him with a little taper fade at the bottom.
He looks beautiful, bro. How do you feel, buddy?
While he was cutting my hair, I was feeling it.
All right, buddy, you ready for the big reveal?
Of course.
All right, let's get the mirror.
That's f***ing clean.
My G. You
Fucking
good?
respects.
I think you're ready to go out and get the photo shoot of a lifetime. Thank you for cleaning this guy out, bro. As always.
Always a pleasure.
So, buddy, I did some research and found a great photo on Tinder, and I want to recreate it. So basically, this guy's chilling on the couch, having some brews with the boys, and he's holding up his phone saying, "The first pic is me showing you off to the boys." Honestly, this is probably one of the best Tinder pics I've seen from a dude, and I want to recreate it with your profile today.
Okay.
So we put you in a chill outfit that basically says, "I'm chilling with the boys, watching the game," and we're gonna make you look like the most dateable guy on Tinder.
Okay.
That's a hot profile. Swipe right on that. Swipe right, swipe right.
Yeah! Let's go, baby!
Congratulations, you just got your first Tinder match on Extreme Tinder Makeover. Guys, drop a like for Dave. He just got his first Tinder match in a year. When you came in, your distance was set to 80 kilometers. You were basically telling the Tinder algorithm that you have no intention of meeting someone. No one would drive that far for a date. So the first thing we did is brought your radius down 20 kilometers. We didn't even make any changes to your profile, and you got a super like and a match within 5 minutes. Guys, no more excuses. Tinder isn't broken. You're just using it wrong. If you want to learn how to start using Tinder the right way, go on to wingmanplus.com right now. Fill out the form there so we can share more secrets with you and bring your Tinder game to the next level. All right, guys, so we're gonna take Dave on a crazy photo shoot today. First up, we've got the classic rooftop pic. You can do this. Yeah, one leg up, one arm like leaning, and just kind of like look off into the distance like you're like chilling. You look very calm, like you just had like a half edible, you know? All right, buddy, so we got a beautiful rooftop pic. Hopefully we'll find a nice dog owner who will let us get that iconic dog photo that will really bring your profile to the next level.
I hope so.
What's your favorite kind of dog, dude?
German Shepherd.
I mean, those are pretty rare around here, but hopefully we can find someone with a German Shepherd puppy. That'd be huge.
By sheer coincidence.
Excuse me, you have a beautiful dog. What's his name?
His name is Fitz.
Hey, Fitzy. This might sound super weird, but would we be able to like get a photo with Fitz at all?
He's usually friendly.
It's for Dave here. We're doing Extreme Tinder Makeover for his profile.
Okay.
Guys, it's crazy. Every time we film one of these Extreme Tinder Makeover videos, we run into a kind stranger who lets us take a photo with their puppy. It never ceases to amaze me that people are so kind and willing to let us use their puppies for our Tinder profiles. So if you could spread that kindness, pay it forward, and hit that like button on this video, it would mean the absolute world, guys. Let's see if we can run up 300 likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. Also, if you haven't yet, guys, hit subscribe. Buddy, you look pretty good, but I think we just got to zip this up a little bit, all right? Beauty is pain, buddy. Relax. If you're a shorter guy and you're watching this, this is a great kind of photo you can take with your buddies. Even if they're taller than you, when you're sitting at a higher level than they are, it's going to imply that you're taller than them. So Dave, buddy, the photo shoot's going really well, man. How are you feeling so far?
I'm starting to like really feel good about myself now.
Good, man. You should. We really got you freshened up, put you in some nice clothes, but at the end of the day, this was all really within you the whole time, buddy. I think we just needed to help you see that. At this point in the show, I want to do something that I like to do with all of my guests, and I want to recreate one of my Tinder photos with you.
Okay. Love the angle.
All right, guys, I want you to let me know in the comments who pulled this photo off better, me or Dave? Yeah, it's creepy. It was worth a try. That's the key though, guys. When you're getting a photo shoot with your friends, keep it fun, try new things, experiment with different angles. Sometimes, yeah, a pose might seem creepy or cringy. Laugh it off, keep that positive energy, and get another great photo. I love the streetwear look, like simple, clean white shoes, black jeans, blue denim jacket, and a super neutral shirt. You look so happy in this outfit.
I think that's gonna be the best one.
Buddy, you're gonna get a lot of matches with these photos. Just make sure you look good, buddy. We'll clean you up. But you look like you're about to valet my car, buddy. That's huge.
Look at that. It's perfect.
That's the one.
I think we're good.
I think we're laughing here. I'm so proud of you, man. Dave, what a journey it's been with you today, man.
It's been a journey.
When I first met you, you were LARPing like there was no tomorrow, buddy. Hopefully, you know, you can put the Dungeons and Dragons down a little bit, pick up that Tinder app, and you'll start getting matches on there. Not only are you a good-looking guy, bro, but you're an absolute Gemini, too. You're a beauty.
I'm a Capricorn.
Well, like you're a gem, is what I mean.
I know.
You fuck.
Yeah, I fuck.
Metaphorically.
Yes.
Hopefully physically, we can get you there too. Well, there you go, Dave. What an absolutely crazy day it was. I'm not gonna lie, buddy, when you came in, I was a little bit worried about you. It seemed like you were more interested in playing Dungeons and Dragons than meeting girls online.
Dungeons and Dragons is still a huge part of my life, but might have to wait a little bit.
Hopefully you'll be slaying more than just dragons in no time. You came in, I'm not gonna lie, confidence was a little bit low, and it seemed like you weren't really putting yourself out there, but today you really put it all on the line. We had a crazy transformation, and honestly, I feel like I'm sitting beside a completely different man right now. How are you feeling?
I'm glad, to be honest. It's really a life changer for me to get out there and like be more of myself. It's amazing.
What do you have to say to people watching this video thinking, I give up on Tinder, I give up on dating, it's just not for me?
Don't give up. keep pushing forward, try your best. If you give up, you just pull yourself down into a deeper hole, and you don't want that.
Definitely, buddy. It takes a lot of bravery. You really put yourself out there. So I just want to thank you for coming out today and being the guest on this week's episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover, buddy.
Hey, you know what? If anything, I should be thanking you for putting me out there.
Love you, bro. What a time it's been. So I know everyone watching the video wants to see your brand new Tinder profile. You probably do too.
I do.
But before we get into that, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone watching this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't yet, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. This video also wouldn't be possible without our sponsor, WingManPlus.com. Look guys, Tinder isn't broken, you're just using it wrong. If you're ready to level up your Tinder game and start using Tinder the right way, go on over to WingManPlus.com right now. All right, Dave, what do you say? Should we show them your Tinder profile?
I think they're ready.
Let's do it. Let me ask you this, buddy. Like, it's been a couple weeks since we filmed the makeover. Like, how are things going for you now?
Pretty well. I have been talking to one very consistently, and we're supposed to meet up on Monday.
Would you say this girl's like a good prospect for a relationship for you?
Yes, she's very nice, super sweet, and she's also very pretty. So, I mean, like, I think I got this in the bag.
That's awesome, buddy. I'm really proud of you, man, because I know when you came in, you were kind of just going with whatever came your way.
Now that I'm more out there, I just don't settle for anything. I look for what I want in a person. I am very grateful for like everything that you've done. It made a big difference, and like I couldn't ask for like anything better.
On your dating apps, like what's the biggest difference that you noticed compared to before the show?
I went from LARPing in the middle of a field to talking to like hundreds of girls now.
What I'm happy with though, Dave, is that you are finding what you were looking for, and that's like a serious relationship. Like, sure, you have like 100 girls to work with now, which is great. It gives you more options, but the fact that you found one that like you like and she likes you back and it's going well, like that's what really fires me up, because I know you weren't on the show looking for a hookup or looking to just get a bunch of kills. I'm really happy that like it actually worked out and you're kind of finding exactly what you were looking for.
It did help me out, and it gave me a confidence boost.
I say this to everyone that I work with on the show and even outside of the show, is that like use whatever we work on together as a new starting point, and don't just stop there. Life is all about momentum, bro. Like, you can give yourself this huge head start with the Tinder makeover, but if you just settle right there, it won't be long before you're right back where you started. You kind of need to use that as a boost to like keep going forward.
I did use it as a boost to keep going forward, and I'm still using it as a boost to keep going forward. I met this girl on Hinge. As soon as I like made my account, like we matched, and we've just been talking since. I found someone that I can really connect with, but for other people that want to be out there and just they're looking to like have physical intimacy with other people, then that's for them too. Your program helps with finding whatever suits your style.
I'm really happy we brought you on the show too, because I wanted to show that diversity as well. Like, it's not just about getting 100 kills. You can find a relationship on these dating apps too. Buddy, I'm really happy with the progress. You seem more confident. You seem really positive, and I think this is going to be a huge way for you to build momentum throughout life.
100%, dude.